Hello and welcome to a new episode of Car Lube TV. Behind us we can see my new car for the channel, new to me at least. It's a 2009 Volkswagen Scirocco 2 litre TSI, and it's got a few modifications, so notably things like the eyebrows, the splitter. Tell me if you think the car is sitting a little bit lower than the standard. Perhaps tell me in the comments about that one. So we're going to have a look around the car, maybe take it for a little spin, and if you want to see more on this car and its journey of modification, hit that subscribe button and drop this video a like. So if we start at the front, we can see it's got some eyebrows on the headlights just here. Gloss black to go with the grille. It's got black badges. They look like they might have been painted because they're kind of chipping a little bit. We have a splitter on the front there. I don't know what that badge says there. Maxton design. Okay, so it's had a Maxton design lower splitter put on it. Now, again, is the car sitting lower than standard? I can see here we have a painted blue caliper. I'm not sure about that. Going down the side we have carbon fibre door mirror skins. I didn't put that on there, so I'm not sure what that is. The rear of the car, I've already filmed a video installing some 20mm spacers. I'll link that in the description below. See how that turned out. Well, we can see how it turned out because it's here now. Around the back, you might notice it's got a rather large spoiler. Now this is carbon fibre, and again, I didn't fit this, so I'm not really sure what it is. But perhaps, again, you guys in the comments might be able to tell me what it is. It's quite nice, I quite like it. Something I'm not so keen on is these kind of teeth on the roof here. Drop a comment in the comments below whether or not you think I should take those off. And I'm kind of thinking perhaps they need to be taken off for that cleaner look. What do you guys think? It's got a standard exhaust on it, but it does seem quite a bit louder than it should do. So I'm not sure what's been done there. Parking sensors. Again, we've got badges on the back here. I'm not a big fan of badges, so they're probably going to come off. A black badge on the back as well. Tinted windows. Again, I don't know if that's a standard feature on these cars. The rear 3/4 and the rear is black, so that's okay. Inside we've got all leather in here, so also leather in the back there. I've noticed here there's a button down here that says magnetic ride. And I've tested that, and that does work. We've got the automatic DSG dual clutch gearbox in here, and what seems to be a standard, I believe, stereo. Yeah, heated seats, and let's turn that off. And there's a GT badge on there. I'm not sure if that's supposed to be there, but again, tell me if all GT models have a GT on the dashboard there. We got a carbon fibre effect paddle on the gear shift, and electric mirrors and automatic headlights. Talking about headlights, we are going to be modifying the headlights to some LED ones at some point. The ones that are in there at the moment, halogens, are pretty rubbish. That's about it for the interior. Let's have a look under the bonnet. Okay, no hydraulic lifters on the bonnet. I was quite surprised about that after having many Golfs in the past. We do have a cone air filter. Again, it sounds okay. Silicone pipe going up here, which again could do with a good clean really. And that's it from under there. There we go. That's with the lights on. It's got the standard halogen headlights, and they are yellow. I've seen a couple of videos recently with LED rear lights. I'm considering doing that modification because these ones they're fine. There's nothing wrong with them, but perhaps they could benefit from some later style lights. So the car's far from perfect. It's a 2009 car and it does have the odd mark on it. It's in relatively good condition, but it's a good starting point. We do have a little bit of chip on paint, I noticed just down here. We'll get that dealt with. Also, it seems there's a bit of rust just on the wheel arch, just in there. A little bubble there I can see as well. Other than that, it drives absolutely beautifully. It's fast, it's smooth, it doesn't have any knocks or bangs, and for the miles that are on the car, it's in really good condition. So let's take it for a spin. Okay, the car's lovely and warm at the moment. Let's pop him into, there we go. Right, here we go guys. We're clear for takeoff. Wet out today, so being front wheel drive, having a reasonable amount of power, it probably just spins the wheels up, but let's see. Ready, steady, and oh yeah, oh yeah. So, to all of my wonderful supporters of this series, here is the E30. And as you can see, it's edging ever closer to the finish line. Has a colour changing indicator, so you can see it actually working. It turns purple as it breaks down and neutralises the iron contamination which is deposited on your wheels from braking.